It is absolutely crazy to me how few small businesses utilize social media. In this day and age, it seems like everybody is on their phone or on their computer for a majority of the day. Not utilizing social media is as if everybody was sitting in front of a blank billboard and a business owner saying, "Yeah, I don't really feel like advertising my business there." Take this for instance. Oops. Ugh. Much better. Anyways, how many hours do you spend scrolling through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media site? How many advertisements do you see for brands you've never heard of? Honestly, I bet there are a lot. Utilizing social media advertising is crucial for getting your business in front of as many new people in your target market as possible. On top of social media advertising, you should have your own pages with consistent posts going out to your followers. This is good because you can establish a follower base for your brand, and you can give them updates on things like product launches, updates to your services, and company accomplishments. The more online engagement you have with your target market, the more that they will feel like they've had a personal experience with your brand. If someone came into your store and had the best customer service experience of their life, they'll 100% remember that. The same goes for any engagements online. It's all about positive experiences and creating good impressions. You'll learn that a lot of social media techniques evolved from standard marketing and customer service practices. But it's not just about engaging with your followers. In fact, you won't have any unless you're making interesting and memorable content, something that people will enjoy and will want to come back and see again. I can almost guarantee that you know at least one cheesy jingle from a car company or can recite all the words to a specific commercial. This isn't by accident. Figure out what kind of content your followers are interested in. Make content that will increase your click-through rate on your social media and increase your follower retention. The more people that want to see what you're posting, the better it is for your business. So those are some of the reasons why having a strong social media is important for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Like the video if you like it, and subscribe to Ageras so you don't miss any more content. This has been Brandon. Thank you very much for watching. Looking for an easy way to find an accountant for your small business? Head to Ageras.com to receive your 3 free quotes from our large source of trusted accounting professionals. Ageras, finding an accountant has never been easier.